I love it here. Doggy, where are you? Right here. Get out my face. Die. What? Like what? Fine. My brushing was weird. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Wait. I'm Iron Man. Ow. Fuck on TV. Let's remove it. What? What? It's right. We have the limited edition Nerf Guns for $15 a piece. This one is $24 plus tax, which is $1. Huh? And these are just $3. Just reset the bullet, though. Yay, come with bullets. Well, this one does. Those don't. Don't come get them now. I need those bad. I need my money. Where is it? Mr. Beast, come back. Mr. Beast? Yeah. I think I should use a brush. Mr. Beast! Oh. What? I'm coming. Get up. Mr. Beast? What do you need? Well, I just need like 50, 25 plus. What? I need like $100. Come on, let me check my pocket. I got 1 billion. Here's the 100. Yay! In my mouth. Oh. I just pooped. Money. I'm gonna go buy it. Okay. Let me watch TV. Whoa, look at these! Nerf guns for only $10,000 a piece. What? There's your bones. Iron Man, I didn't know you worked here. Yeah, well, I need extra money. Same when New York is working. Spider-Man does that. Screw off, kid. Just take your stuff. Yay! Nerf war! Where's the other one? I don't know. Oh man, I hope he doesn't realize that those tiny ones don't have any bullets. And that other one, big one, doesn't have any bullets. I need to get out of here. Iron Man? What? You got them first? I'm gonna go get some. Well, I'm like an assassin now. Like I got this big Nerf gun and there's 2 little ones. Yes! That was weird. I just got Nerf guns for free. Yeah. Is that or what? Ow. Yes, I got Nerf guns. I'm so glad that no one else wants Nerf guns. I got 100 bones. Hello? I'm Mr. Beast and you never give me a Nerf gun. I'll pay $1 billion if you make more. Those are the last ones ever. Ow. Well-de-do. Time to watch TV. Breaking news. Mr. Beast is killing Iron Man. What the actual fudge? I got a Nerf gun. I can kill Mr. Beast and I can win the lottery money from the police. Yeah. The winning money is $10 billion. What the Alright, all I need to do is shoot him. Where is he? Oh, that sick bastard. He's eating him. Okay, and helicopter's on duty. What? Ugh. No, get in there. You sick freak. I didn't do anything. Well, you didn't do anything? Well, frick you. Now I got money and I'm rich. Breaking news. The killer was killed by Doggy Droggy. He has got $1 billion in his bank account. And in real life. Yeah, $2 billion. Yep, that's right. And he's not, it's only a hero. He's now mayor. What? I gotta go see this. The mayor town. I shall sit here forever and sleep. Let's see the video. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. So guys, this video was about, I don't know. Cut it again now, in the video now.